How to use Leeds Building Society honest properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Leeds Building Society offers a range of savings accounts, mortgages and financial products, but beginners often misinterpret honest reviews and make costly choices. Here's how to use reviews properly. The first mistake is relying solely on star ratings. Most people get this wrong by assuming a high rating means it's perfect for them. Honest reviews provide context about fees, interest rates and account features. Second mistake, ignoring account eligibility. You won't believe how often users struggle with age, residency or credit score requirements. Reviews often highlight these eligibility conditions, helping you avoid unnecessary applications. Third mistake, overlooking fees and charges. The surprising truth is that some accounts have hidden fees for withdrawals, transfers or minimum balances. Reviews usually point out these issues and how to avoid them. Fourth mistake, dismissing customer service experiences. Many reviews provide insight into how Leeds Building Society handles queries, disputes and mortgage processing. Positive feedback here can save you time and frustration. Finally, failing to compare with competitors is common. Use reviews to understand strengths and weaknesses, then benchmark against other building societies to find the best fit. Using Leeds Building Society honest reviews properly means looking beyond ratings, checking eligibility, understanding fees, evaluating support, and comparing alternatives. Avoid these beginner mistakes to choose the best financial products for your needs.